Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the watch model and its operating system so you know compatibility. This matters because features vary by firmware. Next, plug into a reliable charger and bring battery to about 50% or more to avoid shutdowns during updates. Once done, make sure you have your phone, Wi-Fi credentials, and any account passwords ready. This prevents interruptions when pairing or restoring data and gives you control over which apps and notifications to enable on the old device. You now pair the watch to your phone, enable Bluetooth and location, then open the correct companion app. Pairing codes or QR scans appear, so accept them quickly. While pairing, grant permissions for contacts and notifications because they determine what the watch can show. Otherwise, key features remain disabled. After connected, check for OS and app updates and install them. Doing updates first avoids compatibility bugs and frees resources when you remove unused apps, improving responsiveness and battery life. You finish by customizing watch faces, notification filters, and do not disturb schedules so the device serves your daily routine and conserves battery. Once personalized, calibrate motion and heart sensors if the firmware supports it, and confirm health data syncs correctly. Accurate time and sensor calibration make activity tracking meaningful. If something goes wrong, screen freezing, failed sync, try a soft reboot first. If that fails, perform a factory reset and repair. This clears corrupted settings while preserving hardware function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.